Cold and cough, we all know that these two are minor ailments, but if you don't pay attention to them and don't treat them on time, they can turn into an extremely irritating and dangerous disease. We can also say that dry cough is especially more annoying, because it makes you feel much worse and uncomfortable. And yes, we can all agree that the worst thing about it is that you can't concentrate on anything. These dry coughs are also irritating for the people around you as well. And if it's annoying during the day, we can easily say that it's 3 times worse at nighttime. It's a completely different experience. The cough won't let you sleep. And many different people around the world are always seeking for help in the pharmacies. They go and buy the first cough syrup they can get. Today is your lucky day because in this video we're going to show you how to make the best and most effective homemade cough remedy. Just try this remedy and you will be amazed by the results. Say goodbye to annoying coughs that disrupt your day and disturb your sleep. With simple ingredients easily found in your kitchen, this remedy is not only effective but also cost efficient. No more rushing to the pharmacy or dealing with harsh chemicals. Plus, it's a natural alternative that's gentle on your body. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn the secret to soothing cough relief. The best home remedy against cough and sore throat. You will need the following ingredients: 200 grams of sugar, 300 milliliters of water, 6 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of sage, 1 tablespoon of chamomile. Directions: here's what you need to do. First, you need to dissolve the sugar at a low temperature, until you get a brown color. Add the water and stir until the sugar is completely melted. Add the remaining ingredients and allow to boil for 3 minutes. Remove from the burner and, when cool, pour into a glass jar that you will keep in the fridge. Older children and adults may consume 1 tablespoon several times a day, small children 1 teaspoon, and babies 2 teaspoons. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.